Good morning, everyone. This is my speech about corruption. First, advocacy. My title is End Corruption Now. Corruption robs us of opportunity and trust. Demand accountability and transparency for a better society. It diverts resources from essential services like healthcare, education, and infrastructure, ultimately harming communities and undermining the rules of law. We must stand together to demand transparency and integrity from our leaders and institutions. Here are the 5 literal about corruption. First, corruption diverts resources. Bribery undermines fairness. Transparency builds trust. Protect whistleblowers, enforce strong laws. And here are the 5 figurative about corruption. Corruption is a disease. It poisons progress. It steals from the poor. It smothers hope. Stand for integrity. Campaign. My title is Clean Hand, Bright Future. Corruption is a silent thief, stealing our collective future. This campaign calls on every citizen to join the fight for the transparency, honesty, and accountability. Together, we can build a nation founded on integrity, where trust is restored and opportunities flourish for all. And here are the 5 literal of corruption. Support corruption. Demand transparency. Support whistleblowers. Join